Hey guys, welcome to Maths tutorial. Today we will learn how to find the square of the sum of quadratic surds. And we have taken, for example, root 2 plus root 3 whole square. So let's learn. Our given problem is root 2 plus root 3 whole square. And we will write it as root 2 square plus 2 root 2 root 3 plus root 3 square. Here we have used a formula of a plus b whole square. That means a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a is root 2 and b is root 3. Now let's move. We will write it 2 power half power 2, as we can write square root as power half, and we will write it as 2 root 2 times 3, as we know that root x times root y is equal to root over of x times y, plus we will write it again as 3 power half power 2. Here the same formula is used. Now we will write it again as 2 power half times 2 plus 2 root 6. Here we have multiplied 2 times 3 plus 3 power half times 2. As we know that a power m power n is equal to a power m times n. Here we have used this rule. Now we will simplify it as, here look that 2 gets cancelled and we have 2 power 1 plus 2 root 6 plus again here 2 gets cancelled and we have 3 power 1. Now again simplify it and we will get 2 plus 2 root 6 plus 3, and after addition we will get 5 plus 2 root 6, and this is our desired answer. Thank you for watching.